Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV. Hi guys. The STV is playing with us, I'm telling you. So today on Uthando Nesthembu, we were supposed to see episode 7. Okay, and one of the things that we were supposed to see on this episode was Umayeni having a sit down with umakoti wakwakhe or girlfriend yakwakhe. Uvuyo unumber one kaMpumelelo. Well, that is if she is a virgin, because Mpumelelo only wants a virgin as the first wife. Hayi ke phela yimi lo wayana guys rushing ke sibambeke ku-traffic sekuthi angikhale because I'm thinking hawu nkosi yami i-live ngizoyenza kanjani uthando nesimo ngingalibukanga. I rush home and I'm like calling, please guys, if I get there later than past, please record for me, please ngiyeza. But there's no Uthando Nesthembu here on the list. It's no man, look at the TV guide, no Uthando Nesthembu. But I look, Uthando Nesthembu, these people are crazy. Ngithi check channel 103. Ngize ngifike ekhaya mangifika nami, it's the thing. But I blew it. I'm like, bo. DSTV blew it. Okay, because they did not give us the episode, you guys. So we did not get episode 7 this week. So we were not able to see that scene when Umayeni is talking to Uvu. I don't know what happened. I'm like, listen, we wait the whole week for this show. What the hell happened? And also, you guys, we do want to see the after game kamayeni noma Khumalo ukuthi what happens after they did have that sit down, what conversations are going to be taking place. Is Makhumalo going to be giving Umselegu feedback of what went on with her and Umayeni? Is Mayeni going to give Umselegu the feedback? Is Makhumalo going to finally sit with Umangwabi? Unfortunately, you guys, I don't know what happened with the STV, but I guess we have to wait another week. I don't even know if on Thursday next week they are going to play this episode, or on Thursday the same thing is going to happen that happened on channel 103, and then we're going to wait for next week. But I am not impressed with DSTV. Where is Uthando Nesthembu episode 7 when we need it? Okay. So guys, that's the reason I'm not going to be able to do the live, but definitely you will be getting the videos, you guys. There's other reality TV shows that I want to talk about. Even on this show, you guys, there are things that I had written down that I need to do videos about, but tonight I was supposed to watch so that I can do a live, and unfortunately we did not get the episode. Anyway, you guys, if you are just as upset as me for not getting this episode, go into the comment section and vent, okay? Maybe we must go and ask for a refund from DSTV, because what the hell is this? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Give me tanda.